उसके बाद 1992 के बाद पहली बार आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 31 years there is a strong Hindu vote consolidation which has happened because today's younger generation is very proud to be Hindu. पहले होता था कि अगर कोई कहे गर्व से कहो हम हिंदू हैं तो मतलब आपको टारगेट किया जाएगा, अरेस्ट करिए उनको. आज लोग खुल के कह रहे हैं हम गर्व से कहो हम हिंदू. यूट्यूब में चाहिए, सोशल मीडिया में चाहिए. आज के 20-25 साल के युवक के साथ बात की जो कहे गर्व से कहो हम हिंदू है. और जो एंटी सनातन पोजीशन कांग्रेस की है और जो ये आप मानते हैं सेक्युलरवादी अप्रोच, ये लोग रिजेक्ट कर चुके हैं. और राहुल गांधी, सोनिया गांधी, प्रियंका वाड्रा समझ नहीं पा रहे कि जब कमलनाथ ने कहा कि वी आर अ हिंदू राष्ट्र क्योंकि हम हिंदू राष्ट्र हैं, और सच का उन्हें हम हिंदू राष्ट्र हैं क्योंकि 80% लोग इधर हिंदू हैं. ही सेड दिस न्यूमेरिकल टर्म्स में उन्होंने बात कही. ही वॉज लेफ्ट अलोन. द कांग्रेस लीडरशिप गॉट सो एंग्री विथ हिम दे डिड नॉट इवन कैंपेन. अकेला छोड़ दिया कमलनाथ को. क्या मैं गलत कह रहा हूं? यानी कि कहीं ना कहीं एक एनाथीमा है हिंदुइज्म के साथ. हेट हिंदू अप्रोच, द हेट हिंदू अप्रोच. करेक्ट. हमास पे लिखेंगी, हिंदू धर्म पे नहीं लिखेंगी. हमास पे लिखेंगी, हमास पे जरूर लिखेंगी सोनिया गांधी, मगर हिंदुओं को गाली दी जा रही है उसमें एक शब्द नहीं. सबरवाल जी, ये 80-81% पॉपुलेशन इस देश के आज भी हिंदू है. नहीं, आप ही क्या कर रहे हैं? आप मुझे बताइए, कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी कैन नॉट सर्वाइव इन दिस कंट्री इफ इट इज एंटी हिंदू. आप एंटी हिंदू क्यों बन गए?
हम लोग एंटी हिंदू नहीं है.
आप कह रहे हैं नहीं है, मगर आपका तो काम और आपकी अप्रोच यही दिखा रही है.
बीजेपी की तरह ड्रामे करने नहीं आते हैं, हमें उनकी तरह एक्टिंग करनी नहीं आती है. उनको
एक्टिंग क्या है इसमें?
उनको टेम्पल्स तभी याद आते हैं जब टेम्पल्स चुनाव के दौरान, मथुरा भी तभी याद आता है, तिरुपति भी तभी याद आता है, तभी उनको बद्रीनाथ याद आता है.
फॉर
डेमोक्रेसी,
जब 2 सीटें थी तब भी यही खड़े थे हम.
कमीशन
और अब 303 है, अब भी वहीं पे हैं. इसीलिए मोदी की गारंटी की लोग बात करते हैं क्योंकि यकीन है.
अगर
और उसकी बात भी नहीं करते,
और आगे
उसकी बात भी नहीं करते. गुड गवर्नेंस के जरिए सबको फायदे गवर्नेंस के पहुंचाते हैं. ये फर्क है.
कोई भी
आप ये बताइए, आप कहते हैं एक मिनट, आप कहते हैं हैंड्स ऑफ अप्रोच है.
आप किस दुनिया में?
कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमिटी सेड सागर, yes I am coming to, okay, Sagar wants to add something. Yes Sagar.
It's a very bizarre that
and Kapil Sibal said that do not postpone the judgment of Ram Temple verdict. Postpone it because this might help BJP electorally. Did Kapil Sibal not say it? And imagine in their own country, Hindus have to ask for this.
Absolutely did.
I mean, can you imagine this happening with Christians where Vatican is concerned?
Absolutely.
Or with Muslims where Mecca or Medina is concerned? That's the least you could do. These are my Hindu brethren.
Correct.
Can you imagine in their own country?
No. Sagar wants to come in on a very relevant debate this Sunday evening on whether there is a consistent Hindu vote mobilization and whether now it is an assumption that the Congress is perceived to be an anti-Hindu party. Sagar.
Yeah, the perception is definitely, and it has been intrigued by, no else than a political party. Someone is my role model, someone is from Oxford University, someone graduated from Oxford University, one became one of the editor-in-chief, and then putting up diversity in such layers, very hard to digest. Diversity हमारे देश का एक ethos है, हमारा preamble है, और पता नहीं congressmen why they are defending. हमारा सबसे पहला परसीव नोशन होता है नेशनलिज्म और नेशनल इंटरेस्ट. हम अपने ही लोगों के बीच में डिवाइड करके कहां तक, कितना तक बढ़ जाएंगे, और किस समुदाय और किस इतिहास में किस देश को कौन सा देश बढ़ गया. ये सारे लोग, अगर हम इनकी लिनिएज देखें, ये सारे लोग हमारे लोगों के बीच में से हैं. और सबसे सही तरीका है अपने सारे रिसोर्सेस का इस्तेमाल करना. सिर्फ महिलाएं ही नहीं, हम माइनॉरिटीज का भी इस्तेमाल करें. और इस तरीके का नरेशन नेशनल मीडिया पे, that is something very, मतलब for me bizarre, and definitely you are my role model.
Sagar,
hailing from Oxford.
Sagar, Sagar, if I can just give you a different perspective on that. I'll give you a different perspective on that, Sagar. Please remember, you made a reference to me. So I'll tell you one thing. When I went to Oxford University, I was a proud Hindu. When I was a fellow at Cambridge University, I was a proud Hindu. I am not among those people with an inferiority complex who think that going to the best of universities, you have to downplay your religion. Okay? So that is the difference in my approach. Now let me respond to you.
The complex should not.
If allow me,
just I'm
allow
chipping
me.
in.
You see, allow me to complete my point. Allow me to complete my point.
Sure, go ahead. Sure.
Congress party says we don't want to comment when somebody abuses Hindus because we have equal respect for all religions. I repeat, Congress party ko jab pucha gaya, why don't you want to comment? Hindus are being abused. Hinduism are being abused. They say we don't want to comment because we have equal respect for all religions. This was their working committee statement. Then tell me, if you have a hands-off approach, then why do you speak on Rohingyas? If you have a hands-off approach, then why do you support triple talaq? If you have a hands-off approach, then why do you speak about the hijab issue? When it comes to the religious sentiments of other religions, sensitivities of other religions, Congress party is very activist. But when it comes to the Hindus, then the Congress party says, no, we must not interfere, we must remain quiet. You see, it does not approach this way. Congress party spoke a lot on Nupur Sharma, but did not speak about Nupur Sharma when she got death threats.
Yeah.
So it's a very convenient line. We must understand that you cannot, if you have equal respect for all religions, then you have to speak when Udayanadi Stalin says that Hinduism is like dengue, like malaria, must be eradicated, when Swami Prasad Maurya makes derogatory remarks of Ramcharitmanas, right? When Shivraj Patil says that Lord Krishna taught Arjun jihad in Gita, when Satish Jarikholi says the word Hindu is dirty, right? And when Rahul Gandhi makes all kinds of comments, when Swami Prasad Maurya abuses Goddess Lakshmi, when Mahua Moitra insults Goddess Kali, right? So you have to understand. Today, the Hindus of the country will not accept a party which finds it convenient to be quiet when Hindus are targeted by its best friends or by its own leaders. I hope I made my point clearly to you. Sagar.
Granular level, picking up points and spotlighting it. What you have covered, you're just spotlighting it. मेरे हिसाब से INC is one of the parties जो कि अपने पॉलिटिकल ब्यूरोक्रेटिक लेवल को लेकर बहुत ज्यादा सेंसिटिव है और उसका बहुत हाई एंड अप्रोच रहा है. और जहां तक मेरी समझ है और जो 29 साल में मैंने अपनी जीविका देखी है, इतिहास को पढ़ा है और जो समझा है, कांग्रेस हैव ऑलरेडी ऑलवेज कंडेम्ड. और अगर अपने ही बच्चों में अगर हम किसी को बहुत ज्यादा फेवर करने लगे तो देयर इज अ लेफ्ट द पोर्शन व्हिच इज लेफ्ट बिहाइंड, व्हिच इज ऑलवेज लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. मैं बार-बार कह रहा हूं कि हम उस संस्कार से आते हैं जहां पर हमारे चार बच्चे और
Sagar, let me tell you, Sagar, when the nation was debating, one minute, Shazia, my response on that is that there are times when your hypocrisy becomes very obvious. For example, when the sadhus were killed in Palghar, और हमने उस समय पूछा था शाजिया, हमने नहीं, Sagar, this country, one minute, Sagar, this country is a very confident country, and Hindus are a very confident people, and I am absolutely clear that as far as our political line is concerned, we must have a political line that genuinely respects all religions. So what is happening is people observe things in bit, they observe things in a sequence. Sagar, people are observing things in a sequence. Allow me to make my point to you. ये कोई one off बात नहीं है सागर कि एक बार लोगों ने हर साल हर महीने आज से 3 साल पहले जब पालघर में के साधुओं को जब वहां पे मारा गया था और मैंने सवाल उठाए थे, उस समय सोनिया गांधी ने फोन किया होगा और फिर बोला कि अर्नब गोस्वामी को जेल भेजो, उनकी इंटेरोगेशन कराओ. देश की जनता ने उस समय देख ली थी कि एंटी हिंदू अप्रोच. सोनिया गांधी साधुओं की हत्या पर चुप क्यों थी और जब उनको पूछा जाता है तो चिढ़ती क्यों है, यह बताइए. एंड व्हाई वुड आई नॉट आस्क दैट क्वेश्चन? नो, इट्स अ फैक्ट. You are not. The Congress party is unable to come to terms with assertive Hindus. And the Congress party has to come to terms with vocal and assertive Hindus. You can't change the.
On one side, you are being the role model of so many people of the youth, and you are now speculating at such level, at such immense level. Speculation is something you must not, because I mean, there's nothing,
there is no
there's nothing
speculation
left
in
to-
this.
I
Sagar,
have a point,
the
Sagar.
sadhus who were killed, the
then
sadhus
you
who were
have-
killed,
then you have
the
all the
Congress
right to
party
be
was
quiet. Then you have all the right
quiet.
to be quiet and
Their
proceed with
silence
all the
was conspicuous.
statements
They
of
were in
legality.
power.
Then you have all
No,
the
one
right to go
second.
ahead
One
and
minute.
operate
Why?
legally.
Okay. Can I tell you?
Just speculating.
Listen to me. Listen to me, Sagar.
I
Sagar,
gone
listen here.
through- I
Listen
gone through
here.
your video
I'll give you a
clip.
historical
I got-
example.
just 1 minute.
I'll give you a
just-
historical
1 minute.
example.
I gone
I'll give you a
through your
historical
video.
example. Was the Congress party quiet? Was the Congress party quiet when Graham Staines was killed? Most brutally? No. Was the Congress party quiet when the sadhus were killed? Yes. Tell me why. Same party.
No, so first,
Same party.
let's
condemn, you know.
See, I'm giving granular examples.
Identity
सबरवाल जी आप
That's what-
समझाइए
that's-
मुझे
that's what the
के
problem
ट्रस्ट
is.
में कोई भी चीज गलत होती है कांग्रेस पार्टी हमेशा कंडम करती है, निंदा करती रही है. मैं आई कांट बिलीव दैट
No, you're
वी
not
आर एंटी हिंदू. देयर इज नो डाउट
Have you
दैट
seen the comments of Udit Raj? Have you seen the kind of comments they make?
उदित राज was in BJP.
No. No, Udit Raj is in Congress.
Now he's in Congress.
The comments of Karti Chidambaram.
And he was passing the comments. He was in BJP. He came from BJP to us.
What is he saying? What is Sagar saying?
One of the best media channels. Better spotlight it. Bring him on. Let's debate it on. Congress is a party of intellectuals. Come on, let's be very assertive about this, and let's be very clear about this. Granular level discussion. Our job is not to police
They
every
didn't
individual. Our job is to make
They
policy
never
making.
condemned the
And
obliteration
they're
of
individual.
Sanatan Dharma remark.
Yes.
No, Sagar,
I'm
you're wrong.
favoring
Sagar
No,
is
we are
incorrect.
all Hindus.
When this,
We are all
they
Hindus.
Were very
Okay,
mild.
ladies
They
and
were
gentlemen.
Extremely mild.
We are Hindus.
They were
Okay,
very
I'll take a
clever
short
and
break.
They did not take a clear stand.
Well,
No, and I want to. Sagar said something. Sagar said if
I
you
am-
favor one child, do you know even the Muslims are not being favored?
For
They're being
us-
used politically. They're not being favored at all. You know, it's one
No, I'm not
party
saying-
because
why-
of good
why
governance.
would
The
somebody be
population
favored?
of Muslims is 14%. Do you know the actual beneficiaries of the Kendriya Awas Yojana and of other yojanas, welfare scheme? Muslims are the biggest beneficiaries, about 30%. So even when it comes to Muslims, somebody who's done right by them to improve their lives is the BJP.
That's really good. That's
Okay,
really good. I mean, whatever
they've
facts you are
actually done
going at,
nothing.
that's actually very
And which
good.
is very sad.
ये तो हमारे देश के
It is
शौर्य और
appeasement
गौरव की
for the
बहुत
sake
अच्छी
of
बात है।
appeasement.
सवाल इस बात का
And
है
not actual
कि एक पूरी
welfareism.
ग्रैंड ओल्ड पॉलिटिकल पार्टी 2-3 किसी के निजी बयान के द्वारा, जो कि ऑफिशियल शायद उस वक्त में स्पोक्स पर्सन भी नहीं होंगे, वो उसको एक तरीके से एक लेआउट करना, ग्रैनुअल लेवल पुलिसिंग करना, पॉलिसी मेकिंग की बात किया जाए, इस देश के निर्माण की बात किया जाए, और ऐसा नहीं है कि बीजेपी पूरी तरीके से गलत कर रही है।
I think see generalities में बात नहीं होगी. I'll tell you. Sagar, before I have to say something to you before I wrap up.
अरे क्या करें?
I have to
देश
say
के
something to you before I
देश को
wrap up.
तोड़ने की बात होती है.